Welcome back to Crazy Days Crew. I'm Laura, and today you're watching Patchwork Parcel opening for May 2020. So far, this has been awesome. I've really liked this. I'll admit I am wondering about some of the other subscription boxes, so don't be surprised if we don't change or add on or something. And always keep in mind, I love to hear comments. So let me know if you are a subscriber to Elaine Huff of Patchwork Parcel. If you're thinking about it, if you've already done it, let me know what you thought or what you think of the monthly subscription from Patchwork Parcel. If you choose to subscribe, please let Elaine know that you saw it here. This video is not sponsored by Patchwork Parcel. I am paying full price, just like everyone else, and I am not getting any kind of monetary recompense for these videos. I'm doing this because I want to check them out, I want to try them out, and they're fun. And I'm wanting to share them with you, so that if you're ever thinking about it, you kind of know what you're going to get. So here we go, May 2020, Patchwork Parcel. Ready? It's purple! I do like the little bags that she puts them in. These are going to be really nice for little projects. You know, you can put your little book in there, your pattern book, your fabric pattern, and a lot of stuff. Because she's got the fabric, she's got the instructions, she's got the batting. These little things will really pack a lot. So I can actually foresee me putting these on top of my little cabinets or on one of my storage racks. But what do we have? Well, the big item that's in it is, and of course I could go for the big one first. Well, let's just take the whole thing out. There we go. Okay, I have, and this is nice. Oh, this is going to be real nice. There's the backing. I like the way she's even got it labeled. Okay. I like the choice of colors. You know, you see all kinds of pinks and blues and reds and blacks. You don't see this really nice sunflower yellow and the orange. Very fall, and fall's around the corner. We have some batting. It is not the natural warm and soft, but it's a nice one. So let's check the little letter that we get and see what kind it is. Batting. Poly down bonded quilt batting. Can be quilted up to 4 to 6 inches apart. Non-allergenic, washable. Quilts magnificently by hand and can be quilted by machine. So this is poly down bonded quilt batting. And I think it looks good. I like it. It's got a nice feel to it. We'll see if maybe you can take the place of being my favorite over the warm and soft. Not sure they can. I really like the warm and soft. Don't forget to check in the description for any links. All right, so we have a pattern. Wicked cute. Oh yeah, this is definitely a wonderful fall table runner. This can be great. And it says it uses 5-inch squares. So, hey, charm pack. Yeah, we agree? I think so. I like it. And this is Little Alberta GE210, and it's from GE Designs, and it is made by Gudrun Erla. Oh, and she's even got a Facebook group, Gudrun's Quilt Crew. I am going to have to look that up. But Little Alberta quilt. Very nice. Again, because this is a copyrighted pattern, I can't show you how to make this. But I can show you the finished product. And if this pattern is a public domain pattern, I can use other sizes and things. I'm trying to be very careful about copyright. I want everyone to know they can trust me, and I want to feel like I'm doing the right thing. You know, we could, using my own fabric, I could extend that and make that into a wonderful fall, Thanksgiving, Christmas throw for the back of the couch. Oh, I'm getting ideas. I do have a charm pack. It's a Benartex, cut and assembled in the USA. Yay, I like that. Nothing wrong with buying things from other countries, but I like to think when I do buy, I'm helping to support another family out there, helping to put food on their table. So I know when I buy these, I'm helping Benartex keep jobs. So this is called Bonnie Lane by Pat Sloan, and I can already tell I'm going to love it. Look at that fabric right there. I love it. And yes, these are nice. They're not bright, but they are beautifully muted colors. Check that out. Those are the colors I'm getting to make into that. Do you not agree with me? That's going to be gorgeous. That's going to be gorgeous. I do like the Benartex fabric. I've gotten some layer cakes and jelly rolls and even some charm packs from Tuesday Morning, and I really like them. And in fact, there's one of my favorite, which I still haven't finished it. I kept saying I was going to and I never did. It was a stained glass window. And I'm sorry, they're not called jelly rolls, they're pinwheels. Benartex calls them pinwheels. I found stained glass window pinwheels from Tuesday Morning. They were $20 each, and I made a strip quilt, and I did one of their, cut their fabric in, into strips, black, the color black, and making a stained glass window-esque blanket out of it. Most of it's done, but I think I'll have to go ahead and finish that soon, huh? So this is going to be beautiful, I think. So I want to give a shout out to Elaine Huff, the owner-operator of Patchwork Parcel. I love the idea of working for an independent small business owner. Susan Hyder at hyderhangout.com. She and her husband have a goat farm near her shop, or fairly close to her shop. And from what I understand, it started out of her garage, and now it's become a full-fledged business, and I love shopping there. Nice, nice. She's got one set of fabric called Fossil Ferns. It's like a batik, but it is just so gorgeous. It really is. Still don't know what I'm going to make with what I bought out of it, but I'm sure I'll find something. Oh, Betty's Quilt Shop. Betty's Quilt Shop 2 up in Cleveland. Great. The So-and-So Shop in Rocky Face, Georgia. Anna, absolutely marvelous. Norma Jean from Betty's Quilt Shop. I know there's more. There's the Chattanooga Quilts nearby. That's an independent small business. But I love the idea of supporting a small business. Big shout out to Elaine for this beautiful fabric. Honey, you've got great taste in fabric. It's like you know me. These are beautiful. And even though I wouldn't have thought of these fabrics, can you just see that together? Isn't that going to be beautiful? I'll admit I probably would have gone with a light peach and that country blue. But this is going to make it just be beautiful. So everything is just going to pop with this. It's just what this gal's opinion. I think you did great. I really like it. So again, don't forget to leave comments down in the bottom. Do you subscribe? Are you thinking about subscribing? Or do you subscribe to any monthly package? Which one do you like the best? Have you tried multiple ones? Kind of let me know. What's the one that you're thinking about trying, but you just haven't quite made that leap? Because that might help me decide which one I want to try next. I don't know if I'm going to do it in addition to or in place of, or if I want to keep doing this one. Because you don't know if you're going to like something until you try it. Well, I hope you're having a wonderful day. I hope you've been inspired. And I challenge all of you guys to inspire another person, whether it's another quilter or someone at the shopping center. If a man holds a door for you, or if a young boy holds a door for you, make sure you tell them your mama taught them right. And you make them smile, make them laugh a little bit, just kind of make their day a little brighter. So I challenge you to do that. Don't forget to leave those comments, and be sure to like and subscribe. Check out our Facebook group, Sewing and Crocheting for Beginners, and also Crazy Dave's Crew on Facebook, and our website, cdcrew.com. We've kind of gotten behind, so forgive us, but be patient. We are working on getting all of this going again. I've had. No, it's been crazy. It's been crazy. Never a dull moment though, right? I hope you have a wonderful day, and I can't wait to hear from you. And I look forward to seeing you right here on Crazy Dave's Crew. Thanks so much.